We've learned a bit about messaging and streaming and how they are both supported with Apache Pulsar. We've also learned about the architecture of Apache Pulsar. Now let's take a look at how we will use Apache Pulsar throughout the course to meet our business requirements. Let's start with our supply chain business requirements. Apache Pulsar allows us to use a traditional messaging work queue to approve orders in parallel to increase throughput. When we need to interface with multiple inventory systems in various countries, we can route messages to different topics and consumers based on the country. Finally, to automatically reorder product that has been purchased or replenish inventory from a declined order, our consumer uses subscriptions to read from multiple topics. In addition to product being reordered, the approval of an order should trigger the sending of a confirmation email. One message being sent to multiple consumers is achieved using fan-out. The delayed marketing email is scheduled using delayed messages. We can add suggested products using event sourcing. Historical and daily sales totals can be calculated using the streaming model, which is also supported by Apache Pulsar. And finally, the Apache Pulsar cluster architecture, incorporating Apache Pulsar, Apache Bookkeeper, and Apache Zookeeper, is scalable by design. For example, storage can easily be increased by adding Apache Bookkeeper bookies, or Apache Pulsar message throughput can be increased by increasing the number of brokers, or through topic partitioning. We already designed our topics and consumers to allow for the addition of new regions. And brokers are designed to automatically rebalance topics, and consumers can be used in failover to support fault tolerance. These are just some of the ways Apache Pulsar provides a scalable and fault-tolerant architecture. It's now our job to implement the business use case using Apache Pulsar.